Now we are going to solve E part, which is the last question of this exercise, question number 1. So we will solve E part with the same rules that we have discussed earlier. The first step is to apply the BODMAS rule. So here we will solve the bracket first according to the BODMAS rule. When we will solve, in order to solve the bracket, we have to change the signs. Plus minus will become minus. So in the second step we will apply the second rule, which is to convert mixed fraction into its improper fraction. So we can see that here only one mixed number is here, so we will convert it into an improper fraction. In order to do so, we will multiply denominator with the whole part. 4 2s are 8, and then we will add answer with the numerator. 8 plus 1 is 9. So here mixed number will be converted into its improper fraction, which is 9 by 4. Now the expression looks like this. Here we can see that the denominators are not same. So in order to solve this issue, we have to take the LCM according to the rule number 3. So we will take the LCM of 5, 4 and 2. The answer will be, here I have solved LCM 5, 4 and 2 and I get the answer 20. So the answer of LCM of 5, 4 and 2 is 20. Now according to the next rule, convert fraction into its equivalent fraction. So in order to do so, we will convert each of these fraction into its equivalent fraction. So the first fraction is minus 1 by 5. We will solve it. We have to find the number with whom we will multiply and get the answer 20, which is the answer of the LCM. So we know that we will when we will multiply 5 with 4, 5 4s are 20. So we will multiply the same number with the numerator as well as with the denominator.